Hey guys, welcome to episode 40 of the Jerusalem Hub audio experience. Today we're going to talk to you about the exciting new stuff on Instagram.
Instagram TV.
Instagram TV is like a new way to get your content out there. It's like you can, Instagram, I think what they used to do is you can only do like 1 minute videos. Now you can do like...
You do 1 minute videos on the feed and on the Instagram stories, which is a full vertical video or image, you only have 15 seconds. So Instagram came out with boxing gloves against YouTube and said, here, come post your full vertical content on our platform. Yeah. And we called it Instagram TV.
Honestly, I think it's really going to succeed because a lot of people use Instagram and now you can use Instagram for more things. And the whole thing that everyone's about is not wasting their time and just having everything based on one app.
One platform to rule them all.
I think it was a really smart move on their part.
Big thing that people are really scared about. What happened is because they're moving to full vertical is that people are wondering how to do their horizontal widescreen film videos and convert them to Instagram TV. That's the only downside here because most people are
because you have to like doctor it up special.
So that's what we do, and that's something that we started doing automatically. Like we worked on that and made it work. But it's very important, and if you need help with that, we're here to help you. We'll actually do it for you if you need. Just send us a message.
For sure. Another cool thing that they did on Instagram is now part of the direct message area, you can now video call people, which is we actually tested.
And you could do 4 people actually.
Yeah, and it actually works insanely well.
You can use that, and you can also use all of Instagram as you're in the video call.
Wait, what?
Yeah. You could leave the video chat and you could scroll through Instagram, you could comment on other people's posts.
No way. Okay.
And still be on the call.
And I will say again, as I mentioned before, the video quality is insane. It's really, really good.
Yeah, they did a really good job, and they obviously spent a good amount of time making sure that it was really good before they launched it.
For those of you out there who are trying to get your content out there, trying to get in touch with more people, these new things on Instagram definitely benefit you because it's another platform that you can blast your stuff in. It's brand new, which means you can hit the market early, hit it quick, so that people can like your stuff and see your stuff before they see other people's stuff who are more professional or have been doing it for a lot longer.
And the Instagram community is just growing and growing and growing. So that's where you got to be.
And the truth of the matter is, as you can see, people like Gary Vaynerchuk and I think Grant Cardone as well.
Right, they're slaughtering it there.
They're already on it, and if they're on it, you got to be on it.
Right, and if we're on it, you got to be on it too. And you have to follow us at Jerusalem Hub.
Yeah, 100%. And with that being said,
please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this video, and leave a good 5 stars on our...
We've been Jerusalem Hub.
And always remember,
be bold.
Face your fears.
And always stay consistent.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.